Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have the Cybertruck projection puddle lights, and this video is to show you how to install them yourself and what mistake to avoid that I myself made while installing these. This little box is everything you get whenever you order these through the Tesla website. So what comes in the box is going to be just your two lights. So that's the two projection lights that you see there, and there's nothing else that really comes with the box. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. No cables, no nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and install these and take these out of the box, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I installed them. So we're gonna go ahead and install. You're just gonna pop this light out underneath the door. You're gonna pop it out with a flathead or any type of flat metal that you can just go ahead and pop them out with. And once you pop this bad boy out, you'll see that it's just basically being held in there by a cable. You're gonna go ahead and just disconnect that cable from the existing light, which is pretty simple. You just press in on a little plastic lever that it has in there, and it'll allow you to pop the cable out of the light. And once you have these out, you can just go ahead and store them away if you ever need them in the future. This is where I made the mistake. I got a little bit distracted with the car that was backing up. This is my father-in-law trying to park, and yeah, he's older and was trying to park, but at some point he almost ran me over, so I had to get out from underneath the door and give him enough space to be able to park in the parking garage. So this is when I got distracted and I made the big mistake that I am about to show you. So after he goes in there and parks, he got really close to the Cybertruck. I was a little nervous there. Once I got back here, the mistake I made is that I grabbed the light with an R, and I don't know if you can see it in this video, but it has an R on it. So the lights have an L and an R. They're marked left and right, and they are very hard to stick into this door. You kind of have to wedge it in there. It's not easy, so don't worry if you're having issues. You're definitely not the only one. I think this is going to happen to every single person. It's just a tight squeeze for the light. But keep in mind that this is the wrong light for this door, so I'm going to have to end up coming back and changing it out, which you'll see how hard it is. So please don't make the same mistake. It is very difficult to take it out, as you can tell by this video of me trying to take it out right now. After what felt like 12 hours of me fighting with this thing, I finally was able to pop it out. And so I basically had to repeat the process, but for the correct light this time, which is the left side for the driver's side. And this, again, took a while. Like I said, even though it's the correct side this time, it does take a minute to be able to get it back in. But this is the process, guys, and this is what it's going to look like after you're done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.